Okay, I would like to introduce my Rife machine. At the moment, I'm trying to set up. This is a Rife machine. As you see, is the ferrite bars. Right side, left side, ferrite bars. On top of this, well, is a actually illustration because they are crystals, but it's really not only looks good. I believe in help on healing uh, any sicknesses. I know people think that no one can heal. I can show you something which is long time on the internet, and the person, Dr. Rife, who innovated the microscope, that kind of microscope, and you can see actually I can point it there. So this is my microscope. And this is my Rife machine with a signal generator. This is working in any mode. You can see like square, so to sine. The most of them Rife used sine or square wave for healing. When I press this one run, also you can see my oscilloscope handtech. You can see what actually been set it up. I can adjust, to be honest, this little equipment. It's like a tuning. And also I can set up the amplifier higher, lower. You see here. The thing is, I have to set up really somewhere in the middle to make it nice, smooth, like this. This is very powerful. Anyway, it's working with 5 watts, and also I just connected to my tablet, and you see the USB connection goes to my tablet, to the signal generator, and I can set up any mode, like let's say square mode, set run, and also you can see in square mode. There is 2 probe, that's why you can see 2 things, here and here. So both of them probe is connected. It's very nice oscilloscope anyway, and the program also very good. The handtech is not bad. I like to use it for different purposes. So anyway, this is want to show you that this machine works fine. So it's connected and really doing something. So run, okay, stop. I can change it triangle. Okay, run. You see triangle. So it's all works fine. I want to prove it that this actually use it to set it up, this equipment. I built it a long time ago, to be honest. I'll show you why, and you decide what you think about it. The thing is, I will remove this one. This is went to the, it's connected to the oscilloscope, so I'm gonna remove it now, if I can. And this connection obviously is connected to these 2 ferrite bar. Okay, it's connected now. As I said, it's really powerful. So when people hold it in both hands, it's really can feel the fingering sensation. The frequency, what can heal, very simple machine anyway. The market is usually costs about $2,000, something like that. Well, this is just stealing money from you, obviously. It's not cost. You can do it like 60-70 pound altogether if you have knowledge and have some materials, obviously. So what I want to show you, this is the guy on newspaper 1931, 4th of December. This guy actually innovate the microscope, and after he innovate this Rife machine, which is like similar like this, to treat any sicknesses like cancer, or I can show you what else can do it. So I got a couple of pictures. Is sine waves and different modes. Well, he used probably that instrument long time ago. I got the same similar stuff. One of them is 65 years old. What I got, I think 150 megahertz maximum, is signal generator, and I got another one also. This small one is working till 1 megahertz, so but it's very good for basic use. Like show you the frequency list. Example, it says like anthrax, or what is here? Try to zoom it. Let's make it clear. Well, syphilis. Well, hopefully no one get this one. Tetanus, tuberculosis, and other sicknesses. And you can see the name, Dr. Rife, RF frequency fine tuned, 1936. And also he used something else as well. I know what is it, and I'm going to build a similar equipment which is work together with this. I'm not gonna tell anything at the moment because I first have to build it, but it's still something. As you see here, this is actually the frequency list. Try to zoom it like this. I don't know if it's possible to see. It's got couple of interesting sicknesses. It's not the best. No, this is good. Okay, it's arrived more. Okay, frequencies. The left hand side, there was another guy, John Cranes, 1950, who also made some experiment on this healing frequencies, and using the signal generator. As you can see, there is many different kind of sicknesses which is possible to treat it with this. It's not only this, but I believe this could help, and I believe all sicknesses could be treated easily, not with tablets, medication, and expensive surgeries, whatever. It's possible to treat it with this. These people realized, and they used that one and successfully treated cancer as well. What happened after that? Well, long story. Not everyone gonna be happy to someone build this kind of equipment, because this is business. All sickness is business. It costs money, and people were paying. So I built this one, and it's a portable. It's very nice and powerful, actually. If you hold both hands on it, I can do just one hand because I'm holding the camera. It's really, you can feel the finger sensation. But it's not only this, it's something else can help, which is I'm going to add for this machine soon, but I need to build together. I never stop, so always I'm building something useful. But it's nice and cheap, and also portable. Yeah, this is it. I built, to be honest, long time ago, but at the moment I didn't want to share it because people is really skeptic and don't believe in anything. People believe more in the news, in telly, on radio than each other. So that was the reason I didn't want to share, but I believe it's gonna be helpful. But if you research and have a look, the people still nowadays are selling this, and it's quite expensive. As I said, like $2,000, $3,000, and they give you software and all sort of things. But I believe it's too expensive, and I'm not sure they tell you, you know, and you don't know what is inside the machine anyway. So this is for me. I will do another video when the other equipment, which is I'm gonna add to this one, gonna be ready. And probably the question is, did you treat anyone? No, not yet. No one been ill in my family yet. But I will try. If someone want to try it, serious sickness or problems, well, I can do it. I believe it's not losing anything, absolutely nothing. It's not cost. So that's it for me, and hopefully you like my video, and have a nice day.